Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to a brand new video on the AUSGOD channel. Today we're going to be talking about a couple of things, but mostly one of the biggest NFT rug pulls that we've seen this month, and it happened with a project that 50x'd in the matter of 2 days. Before we start with the video, can you guys please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel? It honestly means a lot to me, and honestly it's free to you guys, so I don't see why it can't be a win-win. Guys, I've noticed a lot of you guys have headed over to my Twitter, so I'm pretty excited. This is my Twitter. Some people are trying to make fake Twitter accounts acting like me, so get the real one. It's this one, link in bio. You guys already know what to do. But yeah, guys, if you guys know Bored Ape Yacht Club, obviously you guys know what it is. I didn't know the floor was 50 ETH. Last time I checked, it was 30 ETH. So huge W for anyone who has a Bored Ape Yacht Club. If I had 50 ETH, I would definitely spend it on a Bored Ape Yacht Club. No doubt in my mind. Little Baby Ape Club, right now the floor is trading at 0.12 ETH, which you guys might be like, oh yo, that's actually a pretty good amount of money for, you know, a Bored Ape Yacht Club copy. I don't know if you guys know, this project ran up all the way to 0.8 Ethereum, and this happened in the matter of 2 days. Look, if we go over here to the activity, you're gonna be able to see what I'm talking about. So the project came out and it had 3 days of not much happening. So the first day, the average price was 0.02. After that, it went up a little bit, 0.03, but really nothing crazy, you know what I mean? And it wasn't until 1 day after that the floor price went up all the way to 0.8 Ethereum. So you guys can see here, the freaking volume went up dramatically out of nowhere. I honestly don't know what happened exactly that launched the volume to go up like crazy. I mean, so this is what happened with this project. It was trading around 0.03, and then out of nowhere it skyrocketed 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. It reached half an Ethereum. Then it continued going all the way to almost 1 Ethereum floor. And then a lot of things started coming out of the project. I'm pretty sure there was some racist drawings made, and I'm pretty sure there was some racist FOMO going on. So everyone started dumping the project. The majority of the project was actually held by a few people that owned the project, so they ended up rug pulling the project. Then all of this racist FOMO came out. Everyone started getting scared. Everyone started undercutting each other, and the project pretty much went from 0.03 to 0.8 to 0.12 in the matter of 42 hours. Alright, so for the people that bought the complete top, they lost $3,400 in the matter of 19 hours. It's a complete rug pull. I don't know what is going on. The likelihood of this project bouncing up again is very, very low, and this is pretty much just a complete copy of Bored Ape Yacht Club anyways. Alright guys, so I'm in their Twitter and I found some very, very bad news. So as you guys can see, their tweets are not getting any support. Look, this tweet that was posted pretty much a whole day ago has 20 likes, and this one that was posted 20 hours ago has 1 like. So I feel very bad. Obviously this project is a complete rug pull. And alright guys, after doing my main research, I came to a conclusion that this project is quite racist. As you guys can see here from this tweet, some things that you see in the space are amazing, and then there is the horrific. This is one of the most disgusting things that I've ever seen. Is skinhead trait plus German flag suspenders plus monkey pride written on the tee. I don't know if you guys know what's going on here, but a lot of these monkeys are quite racist, you know what I mean? They have the German suspenders, they have monkey pride flag, I guess. I don't know, it was a quite racist NFT project. And then there was also this one. Research the term Jamboy and try to defend this project. So as you guys can see here, I guess the Jamboy was a trait of a project, and then someone went out and found the definition, and the definition pretty much says the British went to go play golf. They would pretty much bring a slave and put a bunch of jam on their head, so the flies go and annoy them instead of annoying the golfers. It's quite horrible things. I don't know why anyone really would invest in this after they know. Obviously, me personally, I'm gonna be completely honest, I would have never known about this. I would have never known about Jamboy. I would have never known that this project was racist until all this Twitter thing came out. But you know, you live and you learn. But yeah, obviously don't invest into this. I mean, the project is quite racially motivated. I think they're trying to defend themselves and say they're not, but I don't know. It's kind of tough, you know what I mean? This project is completely dead. This is one of the biggest rug pulls I've seen in the NFT space overall. And then I don't know, dude, it just you know, you gotta be careful of what you put your money in, what you don't put your money in. And alright guys, before I end this video, I just want to let you guys know I have my own NFT collection. If you guys ever want one-on-one help, you know, buying NFTs, selling NFTs, maybe you have a question with growing on social media, how to make YouTube videos, I made these 15 passages which I converted them into NFTs. And when you hold these passes, you get the unlockable content, which pretty much allows you to have a weekly Zoom meeting with me, and you know, we can talk to DMs. I'll follow you on Instagram, follow you on Twitter, all that obviously, and then, you know, we can have a weekly Zoom meeting where I help you out. Hey guys, that's been the video. If you guys could please leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace out, everybody.